welcome back to the Budget Pro. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on the Scott's riding lawnmower. Today is gonna be the final video with this thing. Is gonna get a really good clean, a really good detail. Stay tuned. You can even see the logo anymore in there. We're gonna give it a good detail, a good polishing, a good restoration on the rubber. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is basically we are gonna wet sand this hood. This hood is plastic, so we shouldn't be worried about taking off the paint or that kind of stuff, because it's actually used plastic. Everything is green, so if you polish it, the more you polish it, the more shine it's gonna get. The hood is the main thing that I use like to focus on, because it's the main thing that you see on the tractor, the hood and the headlight. You guys are gonna see how different it looks after you polish the hood and after you clean the headlight. That basically gives it a really new look to it. This is the way it looks whenever it gets a little bit of polish. It looks a lot better. If you guys can see, it's starting to get some shine on that paint. Look on this side. I'm still gonna have to go over it, maybe a little bit more, just to get on top a little bit more shine, because the sun, that's basically where it concentrates, right on top. And after that, we're gonna take up the headlight lens, and we're gonna clean it out and polish it, and hopefully we can take off the yellowish on the plastic. As you guys can see, these are years and years of little dust that get into the headlight, and then at the end it just becomes mud. We're gonna give it a clean, we're gonna give it a polish, and gonna look a lot better. For some reason I didn't record where I was recording right now, so I'm just gonna give it a repeat. And it's basically just to go over with the polisher on this thing. I'm not gonna do it on the inside because it's really hard to get in there with the tabs that he has in this that holds it in place. So I'm just gonna go over on the outside, give it a nice polish, and that should basically do the job. If it's really yellowish and if it's really ugly, I would definitely go with the sandpaper and water, wet sand it to hopefully get out the rough areas of the sunburn. like this one, I mean, this one isn't that bad, so I guess I just gonna go over and polish it on the outside. The job on any riding mower that you might have at home. It might be a Craftsman, it might be a Troy-Bill, it might be a John Deere. They all came off like this, where you can clean them and polish them. Let me show you guys how it's gonna look. Now on the tractor now that is clean. The difference on looks that it might have. Now we can see the Scott's logo inside. Looking a lot better. Okay guys, we already did the headlights, so now we're gonna go over these edges over here that are really dirty, and I'm gonna give them a clean with a little bit of sandpaper and water. Now we are gonna continue with something a little bit different, which is basically try to make this plastic a little bit darker. You guys will see what I mean in a few seconds. So. This is a slow process, but it is definitely a worth it process. So we're gonna continue with the steering wheel. See how grayish it looks right now. We're gonna make it darker right now. We are gonna go over the grill a little bit. Okay guys, here it is, the Scott's riding lawnmower that we've been working on. If you guys remember on the first videos how we got this thing at the beginning, this thing has some shine now. If you guys remember, we had to clean the carburetor. We have to do a couple of things in order for it to start. We clean up the headlights. We polished it. We clean it. We pressure wash it. We remove all the fenders, the hood and everything, so we can clean it inside. We remove the gas tank so we can clean it out. We had to take off the transmission and put new sealant on it and add new oil, and it's basically ready to mow this grass. This is the Scotch riding mower that we've been working on. Right now we're gonna put it to the test. Well guys, this is Scotch riding mower completed its tasks. I already grow my land. As you guys can see, everything is cut, and besides the parts that I don't have any grass, but everything is working good with it. I mean, it cuts the grass really good. I mean, it has power. I mean, it goes forward and reverse like it should. It's shiny now, it's clean now. Well, besides of the dust that it just got. But other than that, I mean, the tractor is in really good condition. So I hope you guys like this series of videos. This is it for this series of videos, and thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing. See you guys until next time. Thank you.